Let's make a tropical or a Hawaiian Mai Tai. We are going to shake this drink, and I'm going to start with my pineapple juice. Pineapple juice, 2 ounces, which is 60 milliliters. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. 60 milliliters, 2 ounces pineapple juice. Orange juice, 1.5 ounces, 45 milliliters. Lime juice, 1 ounce of lime juice, 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. Now our liqueurs. We're going to do 1/2 ounce each of our amaretto. 1/2 ounce is 15 milliliters. And our orange liqueur, 1/2 ounce, 15 milliliters. And finally, our rum, 2 ounces of rum, 60 milliliters. Add some ice, and give this a shake. The glass I'm calling for this one is a Poco Grande. I'm gonna add the remainder of my ice in there. And I'm gonna pour this in there. Pour the drink, this in there, very specific. I'm gonna leave a little bit at the top for my float. So it means I got a little bit left in here, so I'll have a sidecar of that later. 1 ounce of your, oh no. Let's do our sink first. I don't know what you officially call this. I'm gonna sink a little bit of grenadine. I think I need a spoon, I'll be right back. Okay, 1/2 ounce of grenadine is a sink, 1/2 ounce is 15 milliliters, and I do make my own grenadine, recipe is here on the channel, link will be down below. I'm gonna pour this over my spoon, I think, is this how you do it? And I don't know if it's really called a sink, but that's what I call them, because what's the opposite of float? A sink. And my dark rum, overproof rum float, 1 ounce. It's 30 milliliters. So there's a lot of booze in here. Booze. Do kids even say booze nowadays? I'm gonna slow pour this over my spoon. Oh, and onto my waist. And garnish. Most garnishes for tropical Mai Tais like this would be an orange wheel or some other piece of fruit and a cherry. I don't have any orange wheels. I'm just gonna use a cherry today. Add a straw. And there you have it. Tropical Mai Tai, Hawaiian Mai Tai. Drink with good spirits.